Good morning, children. I Manisha Modi from Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya. So today's topic is force, work, and energy. So, children, there are many examples of push and pull around us. Whenever we do some activities, we either push or pull things. A force is used to move an object, stop a moving object, change the direction of a moving object, change the shape of an object, increase or decrease the speed of a moving object. So children, now force can be used to push or pull something. We apply force to push the pedals of a bicycle to make it move. Similarly, we use force to press the brakes to stop it. Now, types of forces. In nature, two types of forces are acting all the time. These are gravity and friction. So, gravity. What happens when you throw a ball up into the sky? Does it keep going in the air or it falls back? The ball first goes up and then it falls back to the ground. This is because of the gravity. So, gravity is the force that pulls every object down towards the center of the earth. It is because of the gravity that the objects like leaves and fruits fall down instead of going up. So, mechanical force. So, various tools use mechanical force to do work. Now, muscular force. The force exerted by the muscles of our body is called muscular force. The muscles in our body are attached to the bones. So muscles pull these bones. This causes the movement of our body. The force applied by the muscles is called muscular force. When we run or walk, we apply the muscular force. When a horse pulls a cart, it also applies the muscular force. So now frictional force. If we roll a ball on the ground, it stops after a while. What stop it? It is a frictional force that stops the ball. So whenever an object moves in contact with the other, an invisible force comes into play with tries to stop the movement. This is force is called frictional force. So a moving body slows down or stop on its own due to frictional force. So if enough force is applied, it can also change the shape or size on an object. So there are many type of forces around us. We cannot see these forces, we can only see what a force does. Thus these are called the effect of the force. Now work. What is work? So when we use force on an object and the object moves through a distance, we say that work is done on the object. When you push a chair, it moves from its place. But when you push wall, it does not change its position. It means that, or we can say that work is not done. So as per the science, work is done when the change the positions of the object. So when you standing, thinking with a load and sleeping, this is because either no force is applied on the object or there is no change in the positions of the object in these cases. Often we have to use some tools to do some work. Such tools are called simple machines. For examples, we use a knife to cut an apple. Here knife is a tool or a simple machine. Simple machines help us to do our work faster and with less efforts, change the direction of force used and do work with less force. Some examples of simple machines are the lever, the pulley, the wheel and axle, the inclined plane, the screw and the winch. A lever is a simple machine used to lift or move heavy weights, open the lid of a tin or cut things. Seesaw, bottle opener and scissors are examples of lever. A small child lifts up a heavier child on a seesaw, which is also a type of lever. Now, pulley. A pulley is made from a wheel and a rope. It is used to lift things easily. Villagers use pulley to draw water from wells. Now, wheel and axle. A wheel and axle arrangement is made up of two circular objects of different sizes. The wheel is the larger object. It rotates around the smaller circular objects called axle. A steering wheel, a bicycle pedal, and a screwdriver are some example of wheel and axle. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope used to move heavy objects to a height easily. Heavy cartons are loaded onto a truck by pushing them up on an inclined wooden plank. Ramp, slanted road and slides are examples of inclined plane. Now screw. Screw looks like a nail. It is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. A screw has a broad head and pointed tip. It is used to hold things together. A wedge is a simple machine that consists of two inclined planes attached to form a sharp edge. It is used to cut things. Axes and knives are examples of wedge. So, energy. We need energy to do everything like talking, laughing, working, and playing. Energy is the ability to do work. So, there are different forms of energy like wind energy, solar energy, chemical energy, and muscular energy. The atoms and the hot interior of the earth are two other important sources of energy. Now, solar energy. The sun is the most important source of energy on the earth. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants trap solar energy to make food. The food has energy stored in the form of chemical energy. Solar energy is also used to cook food using solar cookers. It also be converted into electrical energy through solar panels. So fuels like coal, oil and wood have chemical energy. This chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy on burning of these fuels. Now, atomic energy. An atom is the smallest particle of matter. Atomic energy comes from the splitting of an atom. Atomic energy should be used for mankind. For example, atomic energy is used for producing electricity. However, weapons like atom bombs, which can kill lakhs of people, have also been made and used. Now, geothermal energy. So, the hot interior of the earth is another important source of energy. This energy is called geothermal energy. Now wind and water energy. So moving water possesses a lot of energy. Dams are built to use the energy of water. The water stored in dams is allowed to fall from a height on turbines. As a result, the turbines rotate and help produce electricity. Same, moving air is called wind. So wind energy turns the blades of a windmill to generate electricity, draw underground water, or to grind grains into flour. So there are different forms of energy. Substance like coal, petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, kerosene and wood that are burns to produce heat and power are called fuels. All the vehicles like car and buses are use fuels to move. Fuels are used for cooking also. So energy can be changed from one form to another. In electric bulbs, electric energy is converted into light energy. In electric iron, electric energy is converted into heat energy. In electric motors, electric energy changes into mechanical energy. In loudspeaker, sound energy is changed to electrical energy, and then this electric energy is changed into sound energy.